Okay. Kabisado ka naman. Pagka gagamitin yung keyless entry, ito pa rin susi niya guys. So, yan o. Yan. Tapos, kapag gagamitin mo yung keyless entry, yan, hold nyo lang siya. Pagka gusto nyo sabihin natin i-unlock nyo yung susi, yan, all you have to do, laan nyo lang yung door handles, tapos yun. Ano lang kasimple. Tapos, keep ko muna yung susi, mama. Dito lang naman. So, right. Just to be fairly honest, nakapag-drive na ako ng Wildtrak na 4x4 papuntang Bataan, galing QC obviously. Pero hindi ko na siya na-videoan kasi syempre parang outing na rin yun at ayoko na magtatrabaho ng nawala sa oras. So, yun lang. But needless to say, this is the Ford Wildtrak. And this is a I don't know, am I supposed to be saying updated version? Kasi little do I notice na nawala na rin yung badging ng bi-turbo, tapos yung 4x4 rin dito sa labas. So if you really wanted to care kung ito isang 4x4, well, all you have to do is just go inside, tapos sisilipan mo kung meron bang ganito, yung 4 drive modes. There you go. Tapos ayan, ito yung cambio natin, which is really different from the Raptor. Kasi yung Raptor has the same shift knob as the 4x4 bi-turbo na Everest, which is ito yung katabi namin. Pero syempre, kapag-review na tayo ng Everest before, so we don't need that as of now. But this one, yan, technically ito yung unang-una kong 4x4 na Wildtrak. Kasi yung unang-una kong next gen release is a 4x2, but needless to say, here it is. I don't want to start it kasi may mga kumakain dito sa loob ng showroom. All you have to do is just press the on button. Yan. Ganun lang muna tayo. Built Ford Tough. Yan, with the animation. Tapos syempre meron tayong ano dito, yung yung screen natin. Ayos dami pang gas. And then here it is, just to lower the AC. Meron tayong controls here, and it's actually blinking yung engine start stop. Tapos yung thermostat, yan, dual zone climate control system. You can control it by the screen, or you can control it by the by the knobs over here. And then this is the radio. Obviously this is a Android and Apple CarPlay. Hindi ko naman na siya i-demo na yun kasi mas maganda ng sila na yung mag-demo, then saksak niya yung mga gadgets niyo for that. Tapos now it's on the radio mode. Tapos ayun, yun na naman for the iPad screen. Tapos meron tayong mga hexagonal na design of an air vents. Yan. So this is a Wildtrak. Ayan, meron siyang extra glove box dito. Hindi ko lang siguro na napakialaman dun sa Raptor. Baka meron din naman. Tapos ito yung sa glove box. Yan, more storage, and syempre may mga cup holders tayo dito, hindi nawawalan ng cup holders. It's really genius rin kasi nakapatong siya dito. Tapos pag tinapat mo yan, ayun, lalamig na syempre yung natin, mga basa natin. Tapos yung mga headlight switches, excuse us, ayan, may mga automatic headlight switches. Tapos yung brightness na obviously it's right here. And then yun yung natin, meron ditong ilaw yung nakakamali. Ayan, may ilaw siya dito. Perhaps it would help the illumination dun sa sa rear tailgate. Yeah, yung mga warning signs dito. Just to have a comparison, this iba yung tachometer tapos yung speedometer ng Raptor tsaka yung Wildtrak. Yan. Just to give you a heads up notice. 3-spoke steering wheel. Ayan, nakapatay siya apparently. So yan, with the orange stitching, just to significant na meron siyang Wildtrak trim. Ayan. Nice. And here are the seats. Yung seats natin, completely leather obviously. Tapos same goes with the center console right over here. And tapos ito yung drive modes natin. Perhaps are we going, iba nga. Yan, ito yung okay, right over now is normal. Eco, tow haul mode, slippery, mud ruts, sand. Okay, so ibang-iba yung ano niya, yung drive modes niya. So that's good. Tapos yan, yung 360 display, it automatically turns it on. Yan, naka 4 high nga siya ngayon eh. Yan. Tapos perhaps yan yan yung 360 degree display. Yan, mga different camera modes. I'm just as okay. Yan lang naman. Naninibago ako sa mga teki-teki ng Ford, in fairness. Okay, but yeah, we are not going to turn it on, so just power it off. Yan, kasi natapos naman na tayo sa natin, featuring this. Tapos ito yung tawag dito, mga wireless charging. Yan. Tapos yung same goes here with the fries holder. Yan. 10-speed automatic transmission nga pala. Little do I forget. Then buksan natin yung hood right over there. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa engine. Same goes with the Raptor 2-liter bi-turbo engine with the 2SM battery dito attached. I don't know what's with the clicking noise, but yeah, it's clicking. And 10-speed automatic transmission. Ayan. Tapos okay, vehicle emission control information right under the top. Tapos yan, right. And then this is the airbox and yung natin, yung snorkel, in-house snorkel, 800mm reading depth. And then this one is yung radiator natin dito. It's now in a reservoir, tapos malayo siya. It's a quite different design approach, but overall it's right over there. Diyan yung mga package itself. Very small engine displacement, but it has an ingenious bi-turbo system. So yun yung masasabi ng Ford. Nice. I almost forgot nga pala, I haven't actually climbed sa likod ng Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Yan. Obviously dun sa Bataan road trip ko, ayan, malawag na malawag ako as a height of 5'5". Yes. Headspace is already fine. This is not damped. Yun lang. But needless to say, meron siyang air vents dito sa gitna. Yan, for convenience and comfort. And syempre may mga storage tayo dito na pwede nyo lagyan. Sabihin natin magazines and books and so on and so forth. And syempre, ito yung, yan, keep in mind, kailangan tigasan nyo yung paghila na to. Yan, cup holders, leather wrapped na center console. Right, there you go. And then, tapos yung mga center armrest natin dito. Yun, center headrest pala, sorry. Now checking on to the exterior, tapos ito yung natin, black out na side mirror housings, tapos ito yung one of the 360 cameras right over there. Tapos yung natin, mga step boards natin, quite different with the Raptor. And syempre, going on to the wheels and tires, nakabalot ito na into a Goodyear tires. Tapos ang sukat nito is 255/65, 18-inch na gun gray metallic finish na wheels. Then this is as expected, a rear disc brakes na rin. Yan, tatapat na lang doon. Kasi pares lang naman yung sukat nitong mga tire size natin on the front and on the rear. 6 lug nuts pet. Tapos, yeah. Tapos yung natin, mga suspensions natin dito. Yeah. I have to say, the moment na nakapag-drive ako ng Wildtrak, it is way different from the suspension from the Hilux. Nice. So, getting on to the syempre, tailgate lift assist. Yan. May balloon nakakaya yan. Ano kung sinabi ko na to before, yung may panukat na mga kahoy, pwede naman dyan. Kasi pwede naman pang-ipit dyan yung mga kahoy. Kasi yung bed liner natin, ayan bagong-bago pa, sariwa. Ano yung tire block? Binahiran niya sa bed liner. Okay, nice. Yan. Tapos yung mga taillights natin is completely fully LEDs. Tapos nandito naman yung blind spot radar assist. And then, syempre, may mga step boards tayo dito. Since this is considered a work truck, yan, diyan katatapak rin. But overall, it is finished with a white paint. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. Wala na yung bi-turbo na logo dito. Tapos yung 4x4 na logo doon, nawala din So, probably that's what you would say na much newer version of next gen Wildtrak Ranger. Ayun lang naman. So I'm gonna demo with the lights. Yan yung lights. And but needless to say, you know what, there's another vehicle na gusto ko sana i-demo. The next one, probably the next upload or the next Ford upload, it would be this. Yan na lang, sneak peek muna. This, yep, bahala na kayo. So ayun lang naman. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Maraming salamat. So thank you very much, and I'll see you soon on to the next one. Take care. Bye.